Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Side by Customs, custom fabrication for anything UTV. AP Lazer, leading the way. And by Top Coat, don't just coat it, top coat it.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat. Now, we've been extolling the virtues of AP Lazer and all it can do for your business. Bradley, you're the poster child for what AP Lazer can do for a business. And for your graphics business, you have used AP Lazer for a lot of automotive stuff. And the AP Lazer is uniquely cut out for that sort of work. Why?
Well, the first thing, and it's the most noticeable thing, as you can see, it's the open architecture. So we're not limited by the other conventional brands that you've just got a box. So you can't really pass things through. They say, well, you have a pass-through box. Well, it's nothing like literally open architecture. Whatever will fit, you can do. And this isn't even their largest machine. They have a 48 by 36, actually. So a 4 foot by 3 foot laser area, and it takes up a 5 by 8 workspace. So that's getting into some bigger materials, and that's the reason why we love our AP Lazer.
And what kinds of things have you engraved using the AP Lazer?
Well, for instance, we'll go back to the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am hood, the Pro Modified car where we took Ceramark Ultra and showed just how well a marking compound can do on metal compared to a vinyl. And then you can always go into our whiskey barrels, etching on the full bilge of a barrel, which other people, they just can't do with their laser.
You've done all kinds of objects, but you've also done all kinds of materials. What kinds of things does the AP Lazer work on?
The AP Lazer works on a wide variety of materials, from wood, metal, to acrylics, plastics. The list goes on and on. And the beautiful part about it is the open architecture allows you to really pass through those larger sheets. We all know a 4 by 8 sheet of plywood, you have to cut that down in a workshop to be able to get it into a conventional laser. We don't have to do that with the AP Lazer.
We know the AP Lazer can etch, but can it cut?
Oh yes, it can cut, because we're able to cut wood, we're able to cut acrylics, plastics. The list keeps going on again. But the special thing about it is, with the AP Lazer, we can cut an inch thick acrylic and it comes out of the laser with a polished edge.
So you don't have to sand the edges or anything like you would?
You don't have any other finishing work other than popping it out and making it beautiful.
And how thick are we talking on the acrylic?
We're talking all the way up to an inch thick, which other lasers say, well, we might not be able to do. AP, we've shown that it can be done, and we'll do it again.
Every time you get a new kind of material, there's got to be some question as to how to run it in here. So how do you solve that problem?
Well, you have 24/7 tech support, and that's true 24/7, even if it's at 3 a.m. in the morning. And that's for the lifetime of the machine. As long as you own it, you have that 24/7 tech support. And on top of that, you even have a Facebook user group with over 1,000 people in it, ready to help you, whether it be materials, a file issue, whatever it is. You have help at your fingertips with AP Lazer.
And we know these are really durable, but if there is a problem, how about a warranty?
Oh, you have a 3-year warranty, and they are very good about making sure your laser gets up and running.
We'll talk about getting up and running. This is one of Bradley's latest projects. It's a 700 horsepower Toyota Supra drifting car. Josh, you're the driver. On the outside, it looks a little rough around the edges, but under the hood, a beautiful piece that Bradley hooked you up with. Tell me about that.
So that's our new intake manifold. We stepped up from the factory LS1 intake manifold to a bigger, better flowing intake. So it's got a bigger throttle body, 102 millimeter, and Bradley was so kind to laser engrave the top of it with the AP Lazer machine.
Drifting's different from all other forms of motorsports. What makes it so difficult?
I'd say the hardest thing is car placement. Just learning the car, learning how your car's going to handle, and just knowing where to put the car to put you on your line, because all it takes is one mistake to put you off your line and into the wall.
Well, we're going to see it in action, but first, we want you to take a look at this.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Well, we came outside here at Motorhead Garage to demonstrate something for you. Now, you probably think the wheel is the most important invention of all time. Of course it is. It's pretty amazing. But for this application, not so much. This is a traditional mechanics creeper. And as you can see, there's casters on all 4 corners. This is great if you've got a really nice garage floor, super smooth. You can zoom in and out. And of course, if your clearance is too low on the vehicle, you can't get under it anyway. But let's say you're out in the driveway, like most people are, working outside, you're in the gravel, put the creeper down now. With your weight on it, there is no way this thing is moving anywhere on gravel or on grass for that matter. But The Magic Creeper specializes in just such a thing. The Magic Creeper can be used here on the gravel. It can be used on grass. It can zoom over roots and trees and tools and anything you leave in its way, and it's super easy to use. And you won't even notice it when you're rolling across a surface like this on the gravel. You can lay down on it. Actually feels like a nice massage. It's not too bad. Now the cool thing about the Creeper is that the part that is on the bottom is always going to be on the bottom. So if you're out in the weather, out in dirty gravel like this, the bottom of the Creeper is going to get dirty, but you are not. The Magic Creeper has all kinds of uses, whether it's in the house or around the house, in the garage or on the road with your vehicle. You are going to find so many uses for the Magic Creeper. Check them out at magiccreeper.com. Except no substitutes. It's the only place you can find the real one. All right, Josh has the suit and the helmet on, ready to let her rip. Take off! One way cool car made even cooler by AP Lazer. You can check them out at aplazer.com/TV. Look for a special deal for Motorhead Garage viewers. We'll be right back with more. Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat.